Hello, I'm Ardra team, your faculty for chemistry at CUET BABA. I'm currently pursuing my master's in chemistry from IIT Indore. I'm born and brought up from Calicut, Kerala. So I did my schooling up to 10th standard from St. Vincent Colony Girls High Secondary School, Kerala. So during my schooling years, I always loved the science subject. Mainly because the problem solving in science was very easy to me, and I always wanted a reason, is sensible reason if you want to solve a problem. And I also had very inspiring teachers during that schooling days. So I opted for science as the core subject. So I joined my plus two at Providence Girls High Secondary School in biomaths, and I continued my plus two for 2 years. So in the plus two, when we are opting biomaths, you will have three science subjects, that is physics, chemistry, and biology. And I always loved chemistry over the two other disciplines in chemistry, mainly because I always love to solve the problems in chemistry, because there will be two reactants and one product, and we can react them according to their preferences. So I always loved chemistry, not only the theoretical part, but I also loved the minor experiments that we are carrying out in the chemistry labs, like titration and finding the ions in a mixture of ions by simple experiments and etc. And I always wondered, and I was always curious about how will be the experiments and researchers will be in higher studies. And I always wanted to know how we are exploring the chemistry in further studies. So after that, after I completed my plus two with a very high score, I joined Malabar Christian College in order to pursue my bachelor's in chemistry, because that college have a very strong chemistry branch. So I joined Malabar Christian College, and I complete at 2020, and I completed my 2 years in bachelor's, and I have also scored very high marks in chemistry itself. So during the initial days of my third year, I came to know about the JAM exam, that is Joint Admission Test for Masters, that is conducted by NTA, National Testing Agency. And if we clear that exam, it will provide us the opportunity to pursue masters in various disciplines, not only in chemistry, pursue masters in very premier institute across the country, like IITs, NITs, etc. So I always wanted to know more about chemistry, more about this subject. So I believe that institute can provide me better opportunities in my research and understanding the topic. So I studied and I prepared for one whole year. That is the third year of my bachelor's. I prepared for JAM, and I made my attempt at JAM at 2023. And in the first attempt itself, I scored a mark of 40, and I had a rank of 610, all India rank of 610. And after the counseling process, I joined IIT Indore. And I also completed my bachelor's in chemistry with a seventh rank at University of Calicut. So I joined IIT Indore at 2023, July 2023. And after joining here, it was a very different experience for me, because I only studied in my state itself, that is Kerala, and we will speak a regional language there. So when I came to Indore, it was a very different experience, because the people here are speaking different language, teachers, professors, and all are different to me. Not different, because everything is a different experience to me, and they are from different states across the country, like West Bengal, North India, North Indians, Uttar Pradesh, and etc. So that language, and I also exposed to a different language and a different culture, etc., and different food and lifestyle also. So studying outside the state not only it helped me to understand the subject a little more, but also helped me to grow as a person. That is, I'm able to grasp what different cultures is telling us. So studying across the state not only help us in understanding the language, but it will help us to grow as a person. So, and in IIT Indore, they provide us with very experienced teachers that have those who have done their post graduation and postdoc in across the world, that is from different universities and different colleges across the globe itself, and they are very experienced. And also they have IIT Indo have a very sophisticated research lab that instruments here provide us the great opportunities to pursue our research path. So in all, it was a very great experience for me, and all that happened because I cleared that exam, that is JAM 2023 in chemistry. That provide me all these opportunities. So dear aspiring scholars for CUET PG, that the if you are loving the subject, that is chemistry, the CUET PG exam will provide you the opportunity to do your masters in chemistry at various esteemed and prestigious universities across the country, like Delhi University, Hyderabad University, etc. They are not low when we compare to that of previous premier institute, because these institutes have very strong backbone, like they have very experienced teachers, and they are very old university because they also have very sophisticated instrumentation lab and research areas and etc. These universities can very much immensely provide for your research and your understanding of this topic. So I tell all you guys the very best, and please prepare very well for attempting CUET PG. It will provide you the great opportunity to explore very much more than understanding the topic, and it will provide you very great experiences if you are like me, that is studying outside the state, outside your own state, and it will give you exposure to a whole new culture and a whole new languages, and it will help you to grow as a person also. So I hope that everyone is studying very hard for pursuing their path by attempting the CUET PG, and I'll be there to help you guys with your preparation through the recorded lectures, and you can see through the recorded lectures, and I hope that everyone will reach at their goals, and at last you can be proud of yourself. So thank you, all the best. Thank you.